Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tech and Web. In this video, we're showcasing the best portable workbenches for 2025, perfect for DIY enthusiasts, professionals, and anyone who needs a sturdy, flexible workspace. From compact designs to heavy-duty options, we've got the top picks to elevate your projects. Let's get into it. Number 1. DEWALT Express Folding Workbench. The DEWALT Express Folding Workbench is a portable and versatile workspace designed for convenience and durability. It features a folding design for easy storage and transport, making it ideal for both on-site and home projects. The sturdy construction can support heavy loads, and it includes integrated clamping compatibility to secure materials during cutting, drilling, or assembly tasks. Its lightweight frame and quick setup mechanism make it an excellent choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts needing a reliable and mobile work surface. Number 2. Disston 30146. A OmniTable 4-in-1 Portable Workbench. The Disston 31046 A OmniTable 4-in-1 Portable Workbench is a versatile and multifunctional tool designed for various tasks. It functions as a workbench, scaffold, dolly, and creeper, making it ideal for construction, woodworking, and automotive projects. The table features a durable, adjustable surface with built-in storage and measurement guides for enhanced productivity. Its foldable and lightweight design allows for easy transport and compact storage, while the 300-pound load capacity ensures stability for heavy-duty tasks. Whether for home improvement or professional use, the OmniTable offers flexibility and convenience. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER WM125 Workmate Portable Workbench. The BLACK+DECKER WM125 Workmate Portable Workbench is a compact and sturdy solution for various DIY and professional projects. It features a durable steel frame with a 350-pound load capacity, providing a stable surface for cutting, sanding, and assembly tasks. The adjustable swivel pegs and dual-height functionality offer versatility for clamping irregularly shaped objects securely. Its foldable design ensures easy storage and portability, making it ideal for small workshops or on-the-go tasks. This workbench is perfect for homeowners and professionals seeking a reliable, space-saving work surface. Number 4. Bosch PWB 600 Workbench. The Bosch PWB 600 Workbench is a versatile and portable solution for DIY enthusiasts and professionals. It features a durable aluminum frame with a maximum load capacity of 200 kilograms, approximately 440 pounds, providing a stable and sturdy work surface. The integrated clamping system allows for secure holding of various materials, including round, bulky, and irregularly shaped objects. Its foldable design ensures quick setup and compact storage, while the lightweight construction makes it easy to transport. Ideal for cutting, sanding, and assembly tasks, the Bosch PWB 600 offers flexibility and reliability for various projects. Number 5. WORX WX051 Pegasus Folding Work Table. The WORX WX051 Pegasus Folding Work Table and Sawhorse is a versatile and lightweight workbench designed for both DIYers and professionals. It can support up to 300 pounds as a work table and up to 1,000 pounds when used as a sawhorse, offering sturdy performance for various tasks. The table includes integrated clamping systems with 2 quick clamps to securely hold materials in place. Its foldable and compact design ensures easy storage and portability. Additionally, the expandable tabletop allows multiple Pegasus units to be connected for a larger workspace, making it ideal for cutting, sanding, or assembly tasks.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.